Boy, did I get a variety of comments from my recently posted top 10 campfire guitar songs of all time. I still maintain these songs are absolutely worthy of being on this list. Let's see if you agree. So today is what we call a roundup video, where I'm going to give you a brief snippet of each song from my list of the top 10 campfire guitar songs of all time. So let's make a start right now, but I do ask for forgiveness on the very first song. It's a song I chose more for the symbolism that it offers to campfire guitar rather than the epic sing-along qualities of the song. It is the undisputed original gangster of campfire guitar songs. This song was selected for its crowd anthem pedigree because everyone sings along to at least the chorus, and it's universally loved and known everywhere. It's got 4 easy chords with a few quick chord changes. It's a great song to play and an even better song to sing along to. You'll know the song straight away. The song is, of course, Sweet Caroline. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to. This next song is considered a campfire acoustic guitar classic. It's got an instantly recognizable finger-picked intro, and while you're in the finger-picking mood, be sure to pick up the free song sheet for each of these lessons at my Patreon page. Link below, download them, no email required. They've got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to know how to practice and play these songs. Right, let's have a look at song number 8. I chose this song for its up-tempo vibe and fairly easy 4-chord sequence, which makes it one of those impressive sounding songs that are actually easy to play. If you can master the strum, then you will sound like a guitar master. Hey, soul sister, what that mister on the radio, stereo, the way you move it, you know. Hey, soul sister, what that mister on the radio. Tonight, hey, 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 tonight. Oh man, you gotta learn how to breathe in that song, boy. So song number 7 was a huge hit way back in 1988 with its high energy driving beat, quirky lyrics delivered with that quintessential Scottish accent, and the epically memorable raucous chorus guaranteed to get everyone singing at the top of their voice, especially if they've had a few of these. When I wake up, yeah, I know I'm gonna be the man who wakes up next to you. When I go out, well, I know I'm gonna be the man who goes along with you. And I would walk 500 miles, and I would walk 500 more, just to be the man who walked 1,000 miles to fall down at your door. Da 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 da. folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. So I've chosen this song because I've seen firsthand at a music festival how the whole crowd gets involved with the sing-along element of the song. It has a great backstory too, which I cover in the full guitar lesson for this song. I'll leave the link above. But overall, it's such a beautiful song, beautiful to sing and a fun one to play. You got to check this one out.
There is freedom within, there is freedom without. Try to catch the deluge in a paper cup. There's a battle ahead, many battles are lost, but you'll never see the end of the road while you're traveling with me. Hey now, don't dream it's over. Hey now, when the world falls in, they come to build a wall between us, but we know they won't win.
Arguably the king of all karaoke songs, especially for that demographic, the middle to late aged male like myself. I simply just couldn't exclude this from the list. It was just a matter of where on the list does this song belong. Well, I've chosen song number 4. So it's time to start spreading the news, subscribe to this channel and tell your friends about Campfire Guitar Hero.
These little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New York.
Even though this song was released 40 years ago, it is known by all generations, young and old today, because of the epic movie soundtrack that it was a part of. Everyone knows Grease, and if ever there was a song for summertime, good times, campfire guitar, this is the song. Probably the least expected song on this list. I chose it because it's a definite change of pace. It's really cool to play and surprisingly everyone sings along to it even though it's a dark and moody one.
I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Oh Lord, can you feel it coming in the air tonight? Oh Lord, oh Lord.
So this is it. Greatest campfire guitar song of all time. Trust me, it is worth the wait. So before the big reveal, I do want to give a huge shout out to 3 new Patreons who joined the Campfire Guitar Hero band this month. So a shout out to Chris B, Carl S, and to, I better get this one right, Shanna Hannigans. What a cool name. Massive thank you. Your support of a really small YouTube channel like mine means the world to me. And on that note, it is time to introduce the greatest campfire guitar song of all time, according to the YouTube authority on that subject, Song number 1. Living on a prayer, living on a prayer. Tommy got his 6-string harp. Now he's holding in what he used to make it talk so tough. So it's tough. We gotta hold on to what we got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. We got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer, living on a prayer. Now be sure to check out the full song lessons for every one of these songs in this playlist below. And this one here is my most popular YouTube video of all time. You've got to check that one out. So thanks for watching, folks, and I'll see you again next week with another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember.